Hello everyone, take my greetings. I am back with another book review. First of all, give me an answer. Do you procrastinate to complete your task or do you stuck in a loop? You think to do your work, but you always waiting for tomorrow, right? No problem, I am here. Today I am gonna talk about a book which can solve your problem in a week or 7 days. This book is Immediate Action, a 7-day plan to overcome procrastination and regain your motivation. And the author is Thibaut Marès. Sorry if I pronounce wrong. The genre of this book is self-help and there are only 35 pages because the writer claimed, I have intentionally kept this book short. Reading yet another 300-page book is unlikely to help you overcome procrastination anyway. This book published on 6th July 2021. There are 7-day tasks to track your life. First of all, I thought that maybe the book is so boring and I can't maintain the tasks. But I was wrong. I have tried to maintain the tasks and yes, it helped me to track my regular dates. The rating on Book Reader, there are 4.5 stars out of 5. It given me also a daily routine. I love this book. I will give this book 4.7 out of 5. Okay, try this book and share your opinion with me. Goodbye for now. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe me. Tada!